Hey guys, today I have Self-Care Sundays. This is a monthly subscription which is $30 per month. The subscription has a value of over $50 every month. And I used a special coupon which the box was only $5 this month. The box contains exclusive one-of-a-kind at-home self-care products, bath bomb, lotion, scrubs, soaps, bath shower accessories, and such, and ships within 5 to 10 days. You can cancel anytime, and there's also a 30-day refund policy. And pictured here are just some of the products that you may receive in your box that I picked up from the website. So I will post the coupon that I used at the end of this video. I'm not sure if the coupon is still available if you're interested, but if the coupon is not available, below the video I'm also going to post a link where you can get 10% off the subscription if you're interested in trying it. All right, so the first item in my bag is this Fizzy Bath Bomb, cool water. It has a nice fresh scent, 4.5 ounce, and on the website it retails for $16.99. Okay, so the next item is an exfoliating bath brush, and it has two different types of bristles, the soft silicone plug and the exfoliating boar bristle. So you can use this for dry, dead skin cells. That looks really nice. That looks like that would actually be nice even in the bath to scrub with that. And that has a retail value of $19.99. So the total so far would be $37. All right, so the next item I believe is to itch your scalp. And looking on the website, I didn't see a price on this, so it has to be at least a $13 value because they said that the boxes are valued at $50 and more. So if you're interested in trying this subscription, the code is free month, and that is for $5 for that month of your subscription. And remember, you can cancel at a time. I do not know if that is still valid. If not, I'm also going to include a link which is 10% off the subscription if you'd like to try it as well. So what do you think of my bath bomb, my exfoliating scrub brush, and my head scratcher? Let me know in your comments below, and I'll see you in my next video.